Hello, my name is Freddy. I'm from Argechum Inne, and I show you here in the next minute how you can replace your ignition box. First, pull the connectors out and then replace the screws. So take the old model away, and now you get the new one, but you will see there is no bracket here. So you will get a rubber CD holder, original from Yamaha. You can put them over the new model. Okay, then you get also a small bracket. You can pull here the small bracket into this rubber holder, maybe at this position, and then check that you are here in the middle of these two holders. Then you can put the screw. So that's it. Now you have here two 4-pole flat connectors. The one here has a black and an orange and a red cable. So at the other side we have the same. Take that one to this connector and the other to the other. If you have not a flat 4-pin cable, then you haven't a CD is working for you. Yamaha has only been one example of this TCI transistor controlled ignition. So and this have all of them have 4-pin cable. Okay, now we put ignition on and try to start. Okay, working. Now you see a yellow lamp here. This yellow LED shows you that the idle speed is okay. If you go up in the idle speed, you will see here the red lamp. That shows you that is too high. You are now in a position of the ignition ramp that the processor is calculating the ignition time, and that is not just stable. So we go down at the point where only the yellow one is burning. So you know it's all adjustment done. You can drive now, and I wish you a pleasant journey. Goodbye.